Hello everyone and welcome back with my another video. In this video we will briefly discuss measurement skills in research and understand what measurement is and learn about the four main skills nominal, ordinal, interval and ratio along with the ideas of validity and reliability. So let's get started. Introduction to measurement. Measurement is the systematic process of assigning numbers or symbols to characteristics of objects or events. In research, many concepts are abstract, such as intelligence, satisfaction, or productivity. These concepts cannot be directly measured unless they are converted into numbers. For example, in a survey, researchers may assign numbers to different satisfaction levels, such as 1 for dissatisfied and 5 for very satisfied. This allows researchers to analyze the data statistically. Therefore, measurement helps transform abstract concepts into observable and measurable data. Importance of measurement in research. Measurement plays a crucial role in research. First, it converts qualitative ideas into quantitative data. For example, attitudes or opinions can be measured using survey scales. Second, measurement allows researchers to compare individuals or groups. For instance, exam scores allow comparisons of students' performance. Third, it makes statistical analysis possible, such as calculating averages or correlations. Finally, measurement improves objectivity, reliability, and validity, ensuring that research findings are accurate and meaningful. Types of measurement skills. In research methodology, there are four main types of measurement skills: nominal, ordinal, interval, ratio. Each scale provides a different level of information about data. Some scales only classify data while others allow mathematical operations. The type of scale used in research determines which statistical techniques can be applied. Nominal scale. The nominal scale is the simplest and most basic level of measurement. It is used only for classification or leveling of categories. Numbers assigned to categories have no mathematical meaning. For example, gender, male, female, religion, nationality. If numbers such as 1 and 2 are assigned to categories, they only act as labels and do not indicate any ranking or value. Characteristics of nominal scale. Nominal scales have several important characteristics. First, they are used only for identification and classification of data. Second, the numbers assigned to categories do not represent quantity. Third, there is no ranking or ordering among categories. Nominal scales are commonly used in demographic data collection such as gender, marital status, or development codes. Statistics used for nominal scale. Because nominal data only represents categories, statistical analysis is limited. Researchers usually use frequency distribution, percentages, and proportions. Most frequent value chi-square tests, cross-tabulation analysis. These techniques help analyze relationship between categories variables. Ordinal scale. The ordinal scale provides ranking or ordering of data. In this scale, values can be arranged from lowest to highest, but the exact difference between ranks is not known. For example, class ranking of students, customer satisfaction levels, poor, average, good, excellent, socio-economic status, low, middle, high. Although the order is meaningful, the distance between categories is not necessarily equal. Examples of ordinal scale. Ordinal scales are widely used in surveys and social research. Examples include student class rank, education level, primary, secondary, higher, customer satisfaction levels, socioeconomic status categories. These examples show that ordinal scales help organize data according to relative position. Statistics used for ordinal scale. Since ordinal data involves ranking but not equal intervals, certain statistical methods are used. Common statistics include median, percentile, rank, correlation, range, non-parametric statistical tests. These techniques are suitable for analyzing ordered data without assuming equal differences. Interval scale. The interval scale provides more detailed information than nominal and ordinal scales. In this scale, data has a meaningful order, differences between values are equal. However, interval scales do not have a true zero point. Examples include temperature measured in Celsius or Fahrenheit, calendar dates, IQ scores. For example, the difference between 10 and 20 Celsius is the same as between 20 Celsius and 30 Celsius, but 0 Celsius does not mean absence of temperature. Examples of interval scale which I have already said. Statistics used for interval scale. Because interval data has equal intervals, researchers can perform more advanced statistical analysis. Common statistical techniques include mean, standard deviation, correlation analysis, t-test, ANOVA regression analysis. These methods allow researchers to analyze relationships between variables more accurately. Ratio scale. The ratio scale is the most advanced level of measurement. It has all the properties of the interval scale plus a true zero point. A true zero means that the value zero represents the complete absence of the measured quantity. Examples include height, weight, income, time, duration, distance. Because of the true zero, meaningful ratio comparisons can be made. For example, 20 kg is twice as heavy as 10 kg. Examples of ratio scales which I have already said. Statistics used for ratio scale. Ratio scale data allows almost all types of statistical analysis. Researchers can use mean, median, and mode, variance and standard deviation, correlation and regression, parametric statistical tests. This scale provides the most complete and flexible measurement for quantitative analysis. Validity in measurement. Validity refers to how accurately a measurement instrument measures what it is intended to measure. If a test measures exactly the concept it is supposed to measure, then it is considered valid. For example, an intelligence test should measure intelligence rather than memory or language skill. Validity ensures that research findings are accurate, meaningful, and relevant. Types of validity. There are several types of validity. Content validity refers to the extent to which the measurement instrument covers all aspects of the concept being studied. Criterion validity measures how well the results correlate with an external standard or criterion. Construct validity examines whether the measurement results align with theoretical expectations. These types of validity help ensure that measurement instruments are accurate and scientifically sound. Reliability in measurement. Reliability refers to the consistency or stability of measurement results. A reliable measurement instrument produces the same results when repeated under similar conditions. For example, if a weighing machine shows the same weight each time it is used, it is considered reliable. Reliability is necessary for validity because a measurement cannot be valid if it is not consistent. Types of reliability. Two common types of reliability are stability and equivalence. First one is stability, that refers to the consistency of results when the same instrument is used repeatedly over time. And the last one is equivalence, that refers to the consistency of results when different researchers or measurement items are used. Reliable measurements ensure that research findings are stable and dependable. Application of measurement scales. Measurement scales are applied in different fields of research. Nominal scales are commonly used in demographic classification. Ordinal scales are used in surveys and attitude measurements. Interval scales are common in education, psychology, and social sciences. Ratio scales are widely used in economics, engineering, and physical sciences. Each scale helps researchers collect and analyze data effectively depending on the research objects. We see the table, and in the first column we see the name of scales, and in the second column we see the example, and in the third column we see the statistics. Basically it is the summary of all slides, and which I have already explained nicely and easily. So we learn about the concept of measurement and the four measure skills used in research. Understanding these skills helps researchers analyze data correctly and produce reliable results. And that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching my video and see you in the next video.